journals like New Idea, Women's Weekly, Who, you know, all those fashion magazines you open up, and the discourse is fairly low level. And you know who's married to who's having babies and so on, okay? Really low level discourse. It's not like that by any means. But it's really targeted at the teachers. And the reason why it's targeted at the teachers also is because professional development is extremely expensive. And I strongly advocate that we never remove teachers from a classroom to do professional development. Because if I walk back into that school in 1 month's time, or indeed 6 months' time, I will not see evidence of it. But I know that if I am in the school, and I know that if I have written some articles that are in the journals that are in those schools, I can then refer to them. And it's got all the fine minutiae, it's got all the detail that I would not give in an academic journal. When I'm writing for an academic journal, it will be a critical analysis of the teachers' interviews. It will be a quantitative analysis of the observations, because we've used Likert scales and so on. That I don't put into a professional journal. Okay, does that make sense? Yeah. So it's very, it speaks to the teacher.
So, do you suggest that we should make a clear, establish their own, giving an explanation that this kind of journal is suitable for this one, and giving the focus and scope of the.
Yes.
Because sometimes when we are asking our students to read an article, we also suggest them to read this kind of professional, such as in undergraduate student that we have.
Yeah.
So we should not combine.
No, well, it's sometimes, and I come back to my colleagues, sometimes it will be the journal that decides whether you combine.
Mm-hmm.
And you'll soon find out, because, oh my goodness me, I can only say you have to be really tough to take on board the feedback that some reviewers give you. It is hard, and it hurts. It pierces the heart.
Yes.